Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop, and today I'm going to give a little update in the future plans for the Kent milling machine now that we have the Comet. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. I'm going to have it all wired up and plugged in and hopefully running tomorrow. So that'll dictate a little bit what we do with this. But I get a lot of questions on this, so I'll give you an update and the plans. First thing, I'm going to rob this 7.5 horse mag starter. That will be perfect to power the Hypermac lathe, because I'm going to rewire the Hypermac and just go with push button stuff, and that mag starter works, so that'll be cannibalized for that. I do need this. The Comet is missing the dial and some of these components. This power feed will bolt directly to it. And actually, I did a lot of measuring. This table would go on the Comet. And this is about, I think it's 12 inches longer. But this table is not as nice as the Comets. I mean, this guy's got onto a bit. So, and I still need to put some more of this back together. So the plans for this, I'm going to put the head on it, the Acer head, and it's not going to be movable. I'll make a much simpler mount, angle plate up, 2 braces, and some bolts to tension the belt. The head will be pretty much set straight up and down and snugged up super tight, and the motor won't be able to move. It'll just be, won't be able to nod. I'm just going to rig it to just drill. I do a lot of drilling on, pump mounts and stuff like that, drilling and tapping. And ideally, I would have a radial arm drill, but I don't have one. So I'm going to use this as quite a XY axis drilling machine. I mean, of course, we'll still be able to put the end mills and stuff in it, but the head will be locked. The way I'm going to build the motor plate, it'll be super easy. I am going to drill into this head and tap it, and I didn't want to do that before, but most people would haul this thing to the scrapyard. It's missing that many parts and all that. But I like it, so I'm going to make use of it. So yeah, we'll build the motor plate, lock the head on it. It'll still be motor belt driven to the other head. And this will just be set up, and this will be my big drilling thing. This will also be set up. I'm going to make some jigs. As I told you before, I do some work for a guy that makes these diesel adapter plates. So I do small production runs of those. And this, combined with the Solberga, will really greatly expedite how quickly I can get those done. So that's what I'm going to do with this. And that will be coming very shortly. Because now that I have a plan, I'm going to bolt the head on it. It will take me a couple hours to make the frame for the motor, and this guy will be done. So yeah, it's not going to leave the shop. Vertical milling machines never show up in my area. So for the little bit of modification I can do, I can make this a usable machine for the shop. It really won't take that much, just a bracket. I don't want to swap a bunch of parts over and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So tomorrow, we will kick the power on the Comet and see how she does. This is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.